Good day all. This is a little in-between video where we want to give you an update on how it is with our printer. You may have seen it somewhere or heard it somewhere, but Kenneth, that is our print master, has a Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, the X1C, and that caught fire. Somewhere on the electronica board we had a flame. It was about 10 centimeters. He was lucky enough, he was still in the room because he was about to leave, but he caught a fire and yeah, he was able to stop it. Now we were in contact with Bambu Lab because this really an annoying problem, not only for Bambu Lab but mainly for us, because yeah, we can't do any prototyping, any printing, any orders. We can't really do anything at the moment. That's really annoying. And why is it annoying for Bambu Lab? Well, a printer on fire, that's not good news. Now the guys ensured us that all the material up there is how do you say that in English? Let me look that up for a moment. Okay, the word I was looking for was self-extinguishing. That's all the material on the printers is supposed to be self-extinguishing. Now, seeing a 10 centimeter flame is not really encouraging us to believe that, but yeah, I think it will be self-extinguishing. So now, they were very helpful at Bambu Lab because they are sending us new parts. Because yeah, it should not happen. And we have one of the founders editions from the Bambu Lab, the carbon one, the X1 Carbon. It was available in the time through one of these Kickstarters, and well, you pay the normal price, you help them start up their business, and so it's probably no longer in warranty, but yeah, a fire and us doing a video on a fire on a Bambu Lab printer, that's not really what I want. They were really helpful. Pieces are on the way, they are supposed to be here any day, and when it all has arrived, Kenneth will build the printer together again. So we will see from there if it still works and we can continue prototyping with things like this. There's more things. Yeah, the backlog is really big at the moment. There will be some pictures on here and there. You may have seen them already, but just a heads up on how it is now, and we do everything we can to help you all, and not only help you all but also help ourselves, but continue with prototyping. There's the lead shots. Well, I call them hotshot inserts now, or maybe we will change the name to gorilla grips, because yeah, the results over here were very promising. Well, the guys who I got the idea from, yeah, they know they work. In the meantime, I was in contact with the person who initially thought of that idea, and you can still buy them from him in America. Maybe some pictures up somewhere on the screen. What else? Yes, there are already people who wanted the design, even if it's still a prototype, and they are running them, and they say they work really well. So a lot of enthusiasm about that. Also some skepticism, because how will the wheels behave when they have more speed, more velocity, when they do a bump? Up till now we had no problems with it, because on a comp you sometimes need to go real quick from one gate to another, and well, we have no problems at the moment, so hope it stays like that. But this one was about the printer. We're working on it, Kenneth is working on it, and hopefully, yeah, in our next video we will be back with some good news. Okay, no more of this. See you on the next one. Bye.